If you're wanting to know how to prevent Google Analytics from tracking PayPal as a referral source for your transactions on your site and start tracking where your traffic is actually originating from, then this video is for you. So let's get started. If you're using PayPal to accept payments, Google Analytics is going to list PayPal as a referral source for the transaction instead of where it's actually originating from. This keeps you from seeing the original sites that are contributing to your conversions, and that information is vital to growing your business. So, in this video, we're going to show you how to set up a Google Analytics PayPal referral exclusion. So if you're using PayPal, here's what a conversion looks like. Customer comes to your site from an affiliate website, they add a product to their cart, and then your site redirects a user to PayPal's website to make the payment. Then they log into PayPal, pay for the product, and return to your site. Now, since PayPal was the last site that the user visited before the conversion, Google Analytics adds PayPal to the referral traffic data. Of course, the actual referral source is the affiliate website, not PayPal. So the bottom line is that PayPal takes the place of the referral source and you can't see where the actual referrers are coming from. Now, that's why you should exclude PayPal or any other payment gateway that you have from your referral list. All right, to set up a referral exclusion in Google Analytics 4, just click on the admin cog. Then in the property column, click on Data Streams. Then click into the stream that you'd like to put the referral exclusion in. Next, scroll down and click on More Tagging Settings. Then click on List Unwanted Referrals. Finally, leave Referral Domains Contains in the dropdown and type in PayPal, then click the blue Save button in the upper right corner. To add PayPal to your referral exclusion list in Universal Analytics, you'll need to click the admin option at the bottom of the Analytics panel on the left. Now navigate to the Tracking Info option in the Properties section. Then select Referral Exclusion List. Upon clicking Referral Exclusion List, you'll see your list of excluded sites. Now, all you need to do is add PayPal.com to the list. So to do so, just click the Add Referral Exclusion button. Then enter PayPal.com into the domain box and click the Create button. And that's it. Now you've just added PayPal to the Google Analytics referral exclusion list, and it's going to track the original source and provide you with accurate traffic data. Google Analytics normally takes 24 to 48 hours to apply an exclusion. You can check your referral source data again after that time to check and see if the exclusion list is working for you. We hope that this video has helped you to learn how to set up a Google Analytics PayPal referral exclusion. With Monster Insights, you get the website stats that matter. See why over 3 million websites use us. If you're not already using Monster Insights, there's a discount link in the description. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials, explainers, and helpful content like this. We'll see you next time.